Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to easily remove a Google account from your laptop or PC using the Chrome browser. First, open the Chrome and search bar Gmail. Gmail, click on it. Click on your profile icon and sign out of the account. Then select the Remove Account option and click the minus icon next to the Google account you want to delete. After removing the account, you can also clear its saved data by going to Chrome settings, opening the Privacy and Security section, and deleting browsing data, cookies, and site data. This ensures that your Google account and all associated information are completely removed from your browser. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.